we got 5 items you absolutely do not want to put in your carry-on.
But we're also going to tell you 9 things that you absolutely want to put in your carry-on to get your cruise off to an early fun. Ready? Let's go. Now your carry-on is not like when you're going to the airport. You can use a suitcase, you can use a book bag, you can even use a grocery bag if you want to. But our preference is a good old book bag. And so now we're going to tell you what we actually put in our bag.
Alright, so the first thing is you want to have the mindset that you might not get your luggage until 10 o'clock at night. And so you want to pack your carry-on just in case the worst case scenario happens.
Yeah.
So the first thing we put in there, babe, is our medicine. So yeah, I don't trust anybody with my medicine. I always keep my medicine in my carry-on with me in my possession.
Now the next thing you want to make sure you have are your travel documents. So whether you're going to use your passport, your birth certificate, you just want to make sure that you have it with you and you know where it is at all times.
Because if you don't have it with you, they won't let you check in on the ship.
Yeah, so like Zaire said, worst case scenario, if you don't get your luggage until late, you want to pack an extra set of clothes just in case you want to change for dinner or you may get wet. So pack some pants, have a t-shirt with you, just something just in case.
And then I always take my electronics with me. I have my tablet and I'm going to have my cameras. My cameras don't leave my possession. Because how would I talk to you on YouTube if I lose my cameras? Keep your camera with you. For all the electronics,
All the electronics.
you're going to need your charger. Keep your chargers with you. Those are important to me.
Now another thing for your cruise is that you adults are allowed to bring wine onto the ship. One bottle, 750 milliliters per adult. You want to make sure you have that in your carry-on with you. Also for your kids or if you yourself like pop, soda, whatever you like to call it, everyone can bring 12 cans. And so you want to make sure that you have that with you when you walk onto the ship.
Yep. And then don't be an amateur. Take your swimsuit, your swim trunks, your bikini, your bathing suit, take it with you. Because you don't want to be looking at the people in the pool where you thinking, dang, I wish I had mine. Take your swimsuit.
Another thing that we put in our carry-on is our snacks. For some reason, cruise ships don't have potato chips. So one snack that we bring with us are potato chips. Potato chips, your candy, whatever it is that you like, have it in your carry-on with you.
Yep. And then sunscreen. If you're going to be in the pool, take some sunscreen. Because you don't want to ruin the rest of your cruise by getting burnt on day 1. Take sunscreen with you too.
So now we told you the essentials of which you definitely want to have with you.
Yeah.
Absolutely do not put these things in your carry-on because it's not going to go well.
We're adults. Some of us like extracurricular activities that use handcuffs. Don't take your handcuffs with you. They're going to think y'all trying to kidnap the captain. Don't do it.
Along those lines are the weapons. You may say, why would you say that? Well, we were on one cruise, going through security, and all I heard is, ma'am, that's a weapon. You can't take that. Don't bring it with you.
And then drugs. Don't take drugs. Bottom line, just don't take drugs.
Just say no to drugs.
And weed still technically is a drug because it's not federally approved.
And so, if you've been with us for a little bit, you know, I don't like to be wrinkled. But I cannot bring my iron with me. Don't bring it. You're going to be disappointed because they're going to keep it and you will not get it back. So no irons.
And of course, all those items that we mentioned, you cannot bring them in your carry-on. You can't put them in your luggage. They are not allowed on the ship, period.
Yeah. And then the last thing is, remember, rooms aren't going to open until 1:30. So anything that you want to carry around for 2 hours, don't put in your carry-on. Nobody wants to be lugging around a whole lot of stuff that you don't need. So.
And I don't want to see you trying to wobble with luggage in your hand. It's not cool. Peace. But thanks for hanging out with us. Check out this video here with some other things for first-time cruisers. Peace.